5 seconds to go. Start. CMDA to ensure that an area which is set apart or purported to be set apart in terms of the OSR requirement under the rule/regulation in question is used only for communal and recreational purpose. Stop. We notice, in this regard, the complaint of Miss V. Mohana, learned senior counsel, as indeed the other counsel, that only lip service is being paid to the projected sublime object of maintaining OSR. Stop. This cannot be permitted. Stop. Para. Unrelentingly preserving is the aspect relating to the contours of the word communal in the setting of the rules/regulations and act. Stop. Rules do shed some light in Rule 19b. Stop. In regard to plots having a size of 3000 square meters to 10,000 square meters, the law giver has provided that it shall not be necessary to provide access to the public. Stop. When it comes to the impugned rule, viz, Rule 19b providing for plot size in excess of 10,000 square meters, it is apparent that the access of the members of the general public to the OSR area is to be permitted. Stop. This result is inevitable having regard to the fact that unlike the immediate predecessors, viz, plot size having 3000 to 10,000 square meters, wherein it has been indicated that public access shall not be insisted upon, such a relaxation is conspicuous by its absence. Stop. The wisdom and the value judgment, which underlies permitting or contemplating public access to the OSR area, can be understood only in terms of the difference in the size. Stop. Once wisdom and a value judgment are beyond the pale of judicial review and scrutiny, and further, it is found that the project developer and also the beneficiaries of the group development are duty bound for maintaining an OSR area, then the matter goes to the legitimacy of the public or state interest. Stop. The consequences of executing the gift deed and the underlying purpose have been adverted to by us already. Stop. In fact, apart from it being a legitimate public purpose, even the rough proportionality concept in nolan supra would appear to be satisfied. Stop. Para. In the case of Messrs. Kaya Ram Hotels Private Limited, the terms of the gift deed provide that the gift is made so that the donee may at all times, peacefully and quietly, possess and enjoy the said portion only as open space, free from all encumbrances, without any lawful eviction, interruption, claim whatsoever from the donor. Stop. A perusal of Rule 19b in relation to the extent of size between 3000 and 10,000 square meters contemplates that the reserved area is to be maintained as a park. Stop. Para. We notice that under Rule 61 of the Andhra Pradesh Group Development Scheme, Sub Rule 7 reads as follows, para. Minimum of 10% of site area shall be earmarked for organized pen space and be utilized as greenery and shall be provided over and above the mandatory setbacks at suitable location accessible to entire community to the satisfaction of the competent authority. Stop. Such open space shall be open to sky and shall not be over cellar floors. Stop.